Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sheldon here, and this is another episode of Season 2 of the Hobby Garden. So, as you guys can see, I finally got the rest of the garden done. It's completely tilled. Some nice lines in there from the rototiller. That's actually a really good shot right there, so you guys can see the lines. I did go crossways already, so I did that earlier. The popsicle stick is from the popsicle that I had earlier. I took a break, sweating quite a bit. The rototiller is quite the beast. Your hands will feel like they're still vibrating after you're done using it for a couple of hours. And it's a lot of work using the rototiller. So, but at this type of scale garden, you do need to use one. So basically, aside from the weird tingling feeling in your fingers and hands and, the sweat pouring down over your face, make sure you guys wear a hat, wear sunscreen as well. You might end up with some blisters. I do have one that I know of so far, but I'm going to show you guys the rest of evening out all of this soil here. So I'm going to show you guys that. That will be in today's how-to for prepping the garden for transplanting all the plants that you guys were growing at the tail end of the winter, basically in the early spring. So all those plants you have indoors that are ready to go, or ones that you've purchased even. This prep right now is going to be the step just before you put those plants in the garden. All right, well, there you have it, guys. The garden is completely done. So it's all prepped, ready to go. Basically, you just want to make sure that the soil is distributed as evenly as possible. If you find any stones, remove them. Any weeds or roots or anything like that, just just put them off to the side. You can use the stones as markers for seeds if you want, or you can use sticks, twigs, whatever. But basically, that is your garden ready to go. You don't really need to do anything else. If you want to, you guys can see right there behind me, there's a little bucket that has some good soil in it from compost that you can add through as well if you want. Obviously you would want to mix that in with the rototiller, but we're just leaving it there for the time being. We're going to see how things go. We're going to be planting a bunch of the smaller stuff with vines down in this section here, and as we progress further towards the back, we're going to be putting some taller plants in. We're going to be putting potatoes. I think we're going to do corn again, even though last year it didn't go very well, but that was our first attempt in quite some time. So I'm super excited about this. I'm done. I don't have anything else to do right now. I can prepare the plants. I'm going to go in and do some more uploading, some editing for the channel. And that's more or less it for me. I'm going to try to relax for the rest of the weekend. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this gorgeous day as well. And so if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And if you guys are digging this stuff, okay, I just did a pun, I didn't mean that. If you are digging this stuff, be sure to subscribe. It's a lot of fun. It's really rewarding. It's very therapeutic. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content for the hobby garden. And yeah, be sure to hit the notification bell if you want to see when I'm uploading more videos just like this one. And I will catch you guys later.